Hello and welcome back to Baguettes and Asbos, where today we're dragging out John's Audi. Why are we dragging out the Audi, John?
Well, I don't know if it's Baguettes and Asbos fashion or JH Property Maintenance fashion, but we are an engine down. Another Ford engine down. Eco boom! Let's get into it.
So John's van, his engine went on the motorway. So we're going to get his Audi back on the road, so he's got a jalopy to get about in.
So the day has come. It's only been parked up for, I don't even know now, 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Lost track of time. Need bonnet painting. I had a wee accident. Need the bumper painting, bonnet painting. And today we are going to put a clutch on it and a new wheel bearing, and therefore just before it got parked up it had 2 new rear wheel bearings and 1 front. I think it's that passenger one needs doing. Yeah, she has not been cleaned. Very long time. And today is the day. Are you ready for the party piece? Oh, nasty. Get that wipe down and let's get this beast started.
Go on then, what are you showing me?
Well, as you can see, the grey, I don't know what, considering, but that's been done a few times in the times it's been parked up.
How long's it been sat for?
How it came that.
The rest of it's alright, isn't it? It's just the wheel.
Yeah, it's done this every time. Oh, it's knackered now, isn't it? Look at that.
You might be able to get that.
With a leather cleaner.
Maybe.
It is coming off actually. But yeah, that is bad.
That's the least of our worries. So, today's task.
We have brand new clutch kit there. LUK. And I don't know if it's in the boot. We have got a new wheel bearing, because prior to it getting parked up this, I had nightmares with this as every car. So it's got full new brakes all round, new wheel bearings all round, bar that one I think it is. So it should be quite fresh. I've just looked at the brakes, there's quite a bit of meat on them. So providing they're not seized, this should go straight through, I think.
We'll see, won't we? It's had new tyres on it as well, didn't you say?
Yeah, they're newish, but I'm sure when it went for its last one, he did say they were a bit on the limit.
Right. Tell you what though, I do love this shape.
What? Oh mate, I still fall in love with it every single day. Wait till I've washed it. I'm not about it being brand new, mate. This gives me, and it's a turbo in it, man. It gives me thrills, lad.
He's easily pleased, to be fair.
I am.
I tell you what, you can please him by liking, commenting and subscribing on this video, guys. That will thrill John. You know what to do. Get down, press that button and hit the bell notification. How about now?
No,
if you know, you know.
Nothing, and it's got fuel.
We've got fuel and we've got no gas lights. Right, let's get this round to mine. We need to get it jacked up. Well, she's driving. Where we're going, we don't need number plates, Sonny Jim. So as we said in the video earlier, John's engine in his van's gone. We think the teeth have gone on the cam belt and its engine very bad. So we've dragged his Audi out of the gravel. It needs a clutch, it needs a wheel bearing, it needs a clean, it needs some love and attention. But can we save this car and get it back on the road? Let's try and get it through an MOT and roadworthy. It's an Audi A5 Black Edition, 1.8 turbo, manual. transverse engine, so we thought it'd be easy to get this gearbox out. But were we wrong? Let's see if we can get it done.
That's what I was on about, so it'll move, but it's not going to give us a... Not that side of it.
These lovely VAG drive shafts.
Okay, so we may get away with it.
Yeah, we might do, mate, but we'll be able to manipulate the box one way or the other.
Yeah.
Anyway,
but I think this may have to go, as you just said.
Yeah,
maybe.
we've got loads of room on this side, I think.
Yeah, this side, not so much room. Yeah. But the drive shaft's off on this side, so do we have to take this knuckle off is the next job, isn't it?
Yeah, drive shaft's off on this side. We need to get that gearbox mount off. Right, John's got his finger in a hole. Had a small man problems, had to stand on the wheel to get up here into the back. But we're getting these bolts out. It's a bit of a squeeze, but there's plenty of space
well,
in
they're
here.
massive, them, aren't they? How big this rascal is.
Have you got a long one? Yeah. That one, that other one wasn't so big.
Right, so we need to remember these. I know which one that one is. Which was the
This
other
is the
one from my
closest to
side?
me.
Was that the
Closest to
top
me.
one that I did first?
Top one.
And that's top one.
Put them in
That's
the box,
bottom.
mate. Put them in the box.
Right, I also think one was missing. Now, is there another one underneath that cat? Jesus!
The valves work. Right, this is hot and sweaty, so we're going to get back under and we'll touch base in a minute.
That down.
Hey John, easy job you said.
Easy job.
You had to get the
master technician in.
secret master tech in here. We can't tell you his name,
Okay,
and we're going to hide his voice.
keep going.
Big job breaking out.
Sure. I'm out. Should I drag her out or leave her in?
Yeah, drag it out for now. Get the got 13 mil on the ratchet.
Should be down there somewhere in that
There's
mess.
There's that. Oh, you want a big 13?
Shiny brand new glove, not even dirty, because the master tech's doing all the work for us.
I'm taking that off.
Take that
13
13 off, and then just unclip something further up.
What about these wires here on that? There's like a frame that holds them on, or they just clip off.
No, what I'm saying is leave these water pipes on.
Leave them on.
And get it higher up.
Right. Matty,
Or if they there
you've got a 13 ratchet spanner, mate. I hope you're good on your blurring work, mate. Pull this off. Sorry.
Fine, I'll do the sheep noise over it. Pull this up, mate.
You look quite snuggly there, mate.
Wait me up for 10 minutes.
Can you just get the job done first and then you can have a nap? What we on with here, mate?
10-minute job, but I'm on an hourly rate.
Oh, yeah. You struggling with this starter motor?
Oh, yeah. They don't make them like French cars, do they?
I'm not going to lie. No, they don't.
I was only joking about the hourly rate, by the way, John. Don't be dragging it out.
Put that one back in. Where did you just pull it,
Yeah, mate.
On what? Into that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it seals into the side. That's what. The only too much over.
Ooh, big job, boys.
Where to, lads?
So watch that wire.
Right where you are now.
That it?
So that, that'll stop it leaking.
And the clutch is inside
Where's
the
that coming
gearbox.
from now?
That's
Is that
the
the
water.
water pipe? Right, so change this now, yeah?
Your clutch is there, your release bearings there.
Yeah.
Ah,
So get that out.
Yeah, it is a chariot. That it? No, so which way? Taking this back off now.
Yeah. Everything's causing us a problem. So, gearbox is back in.
Right, mate. Oh, sorry. Go on.
John's trying to get this linkage back on. He's tried the clutch is good. We've cleaned up that stump. We've got 40% of the bolts in. 5% of those are finger tight. We're out of breath, we're tired, we're dirty, but we're in good spirits, aren't we, John?
Mate, I think we've done very well. This is far from a Clio gearbox. Far from. But we're not going to sit here and lie. We did have help off the Master Tech.
The Master Tech's left us to it now. He's done all the hard work and left us
Shown
to
us
it.
the ropes. He said, lads, if you can't do this, you shouldn't be doing it.
He did say, if we get this boxed off though today, we'll get our certificates. And we'll become
Mag.
Yeah, we'll become vags. We'll become novice techs.
And all makes it even better. And we did it all on the deck, mate.
Yeah.
And this box, I hope Matthew took a picture of it. My God. Massive.
Must be like at least 3 or 4 kilograms.
Definitely for a flipping big truck or something. Got a flipping little Audi.
Wheel going on, baby.
Big job. Big job. Don't think we've been this dirty for a while, mate.
Nah.
But we have broke the boundaries today. This was something above our pay grade.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It ain't no little French gearbox this.
No.
We're about 90% done. We've still got a few gearbox bolts to do behind there. We've got to do the drive shaft bolts up on this side, but we're going to leave them loose because we've got to do a wheel bearing on this side, but it's getting late in the day. We've got the under trays to do, starter motor bolts, but the starter motor bolts we need a certain spanner, but the Audi Master Techs took it back with him, so yes, we'll have to try and figure that one out. Right, so here she is, she's back home. It's raining, so I'll make it quick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mum, tell your nan. Peace.